tell me when, cause right now it's just free fall again. When will she find a bottom? Find a bottom. Find a bottom. Free fall, free fall, free fall, free fall.
All right, it's Wednesday. We're back. We're gonna do it better today than we did yesterday.
Tick by tick, the charts unfold. Liquidity pools in green and gold.
All right, let's see what we got here. Still got 15, but yeah, let's see what we got. So obviously, where's my magical pen? Kind of breaking out of this squeeze we've been in. This is a fake out, potentially. I'm going to be looking for remove this. Special destruction on the daily. As long as we could like pump back up and reject it, or reject it from here, I'd be more worrisome for shorts once we start closing dailies above this 500 level again. And especially if you see it rejecting up, this could be a quick move to the other side. But as it stands, short buys, although we are hitting major lows here, this could be an area where she doesn't push through. To be seen. Like yesterday, we traded outside of that balance, target hit, and me just freaking mismanaging everything. It's bad. I need to be better at what I do. Obviously, it's very frustrating for me to be streaming and mismanaging trades. It's really annoying as fuck. But today, so how I look at this, somewhat balanced, we're breaking out, so I'm anticipating this structure to hold to the downside. If we start regaining here, this could be a quick move. All those late shorts that will get squeezed could be a move, could be a play. I've been looking for, yeah, we're kind of already that 205 here, which is gonna be 205 was this is yesterday's low. Yeah, yesterday's low. So yesterday's range is gonna be key. If you get back inside of yesterday's range, I'd be looking for a move towards the 330s, and potentially more. Because downside, it's not that much downside here. Like if you look, it's this swing basically, these lows. It could, obviously, it always could. So for that, I'll be marking out the low here, just for potential targets if she decides to go that way. Kind of already hitting that first lower here, so I could remove this one. And then for upside, these are looking very obvious. Targets and another target. These blue levels are more structural based for me. It's not really targets. It's more levels where I anticipate price to show me its hands, if that makes sense. If that makes sense. I'm also streaming in 1080p today because the stream was struggling hard on 4040p. I'm not sure if it's that issue, but should be good. Profile wise yesterday, we still deal with the gap, huh? So we still have the gap too. Yesterday was such an obvious freaking day. Just gonna mark out the gap, which is gonna be in line with, yeah, it's yesterday's low, so if we start popping back in, wait, where I'm looking at the wrong thing here. Yo, what's up, Verdansk? So currently are trading at the lows of yesterday, right? And the gap from the day before there, I think if you get acceptance inside of the range from yesterday, that would be looking good for move back to the highs of yesterday, obviously. Got some negative delta at the POC. Could be a thing. Let's just keep the range for now. Like value, it aligns with the hourly levels though. I'm looking at. Oh well, for all time's sake.
Screens glow in the midnight hour. Numbers dance, feel the market power. Candles form on the deep chart streams. Trading dreams in electric beams. Camel rise and feel the heat.
Can I get another color? Thanks. Just because of these levels currently, like, see the sell aggression on those levels? It's crazy. And then one lost level, make it a shiny level. I'm here, sir. I'm here. I'm just. I changed the settings towards the resolution from the stream to 1080p instead of 1440p because the stream was struggling yesterday hard. Days before that too. I'm like done with the YouTube struggle. Like I'm trying to trade. Like I'm getting a little bit frustrated how I trade, and then the freaking YouTube thing is starting to get on my nerves. I want to avoid those things. So again, we are currently trading at the lows here. It's kind of a line in the sand where we are currently trading. giveaway song. Can you show me today's falls with deep trades? What do you mean with falls? Like short, I'm not sure what you're trying to get at.
Too much drama, yeah, you know, in December we pulling up in Ghana. Yeah, you know that I'm a real ganja farmer. I really hate to inform you, but this might alarm you. But you're gonna run into some strangers, even on the world is so dangerous. It be the strangers who genuine as life changes. I only had them dreams of greatness. Mama was calling on the phone, said I was patiently waiting. I was patiently waiting. I think I lost my world. I think I lost my world. I was on top of the world. The boy Ian.
Oh, like that.
After all these years, I'm matured. All that shit you're hearing from the birds and the trees, it ain't me.
Like so. But it's kind of a relative high setting. More than that, it's just very confusing. It's just like 50 setting is like 50. Not sure what that drop was about. Yesterday rebalanced, reloaded perfectly. Crazy. It's gonna be Trump. It's always Trump. What did he do? Do we got news? Like, I'm not even freaking paying attention to the news, dude. Time was up. Trump did not repeat the termination of the interim deal with Iran during NATO summit. That's bullish. Trump did not repeat the termination. I mean, I'm not sure. It's all good. Fuck that shit. I got more rhymes for you niggas in them sections. Mirror on the wall, you better look at your reflection. Long road, but the future is bright. Long road, but the future is bright. I don't really talk, I fight. Oh, he's gonna start the war again. Oh, really? Yo, CJ, what's up? That's good. That's good. I got this ice on my neck, it get heavy when I make my steps. I cannot stress, you cannot, I cannot look in the mirror, say I'm not the best. Don't mean to flex. I got this ice on my neck, it get heavy when I make my steps. This private range low really is a freaking line in the sand here. Oh, you're still running around, huh? I will be market's not gonna run away, sir. I might even wait out for the first 15 though, because this is like such a freaking decision level. Obvious move would be rejection here for a move back to the lows. And if you regain, then we would pop back in range. Where's my daily? Where's my daily? Yeah, so if we gain here, move back to that lower structure with just beautiful alliance with value low. If we regain that, it's a value rotation. and then obvious moves are done. So obvious moves for me is rejection here, sell off, continuation. More obvious would be regain back into prior range, back towards the 300s, regain, get back in value, value rotation, hit POC, be done for the day. And I was not sharing the right screen. Nice. Nice. I was talking about the structure here. So the obvious move here would be rejecting this level to the lows. Reject more, potentially, whatever. Other obvious move would be regain this level. Regain back into prior range for a retest back to the lows of value, structure. Could be a rejection level. If you regain, this could be a potential value rotation. Sweep those levels at the 600s, and those will be the obvious plays for me at the moment. This prior range low is just going to be a key level for me today. Two minutes still open. Popping back in range.
And I heard your last dog, you can do better. You ain't got shit on me, homie, that's facts. I just bought a new crib, I buy another for the tax. We ain't in the same league, we ain't in the same bracket. I ain't made a joint yet, they already know it slaps. Now I need the dollars. Got a new girl and she look like Madonna. Found a new flow and it's hot like the sauna. Buying these stocks, I don't care about designer. Tryna play me, they ain't know no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays so they all look jealous. Tryna play me, they ain't know no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays so they all look jealous. Staying high with the mace, tipping wine to the face.
Let's see what that overnight looks like. I mean, looks like a double distribution, low volume node. Not the cleanest profile.
Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays so they all look jealous. Tryna play me, they ain't know no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays so they all look jealous.
Yeah, Great Lakes State and we make waves here. Running the point, I make plays like Shakespeare. Every day I make it a great year. So every year I feel like the day's near, yeah. Whole catalog made from a home stew. Quick scroll through like shopping at Whole Foods with the fresh produce. My shit is a whole mood. AEI, I don't owe you. And he wrote through scoop. Yates alley-oop me another go-to. 2 video shoots, gotta look cute. Get my brand coupon, it's a lot of stunt doubles and they
tryna play me, they ain't know no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays so they all look jealous. Tryna play me.
Could also wait for 300 here to get regained. This could be somewhat of a no trade zone. And if it gets back acceptance back inside of value and regains that, to me, it just lines up too beautifully today with those structural levels. Like that would be the narrative and the obvious move. This could also still be an area where we kind of reload, retest value. We could always reject here or chop around, obviously. From the profile perspective, this thing really could wait for this to get resolved and like not trade inside of this. That's what I could do. And then wait for price to drop below, start rejecting, then look for lower. Or wait for it to push above with an impulse move and look for something towards that level. Even though it looks really good for longs above that prior range low though. On an hourly, this is still a level where we broke out from. This is the volume impulse. This is the structure we ripped away from, and this is basically just retesting it too. Combine that with this being value area low. The most obvious thing would be for it to push above, for trades towards higher structure here, and then potentially target that POC and that higher structure. This could still be something to roll over from. That's how I look at it.
Deep voice on the mic, eyes on the screen. Monday build a Friday close.
Like, how is that not even lining up? That don't even make sense. Yo, what's up, Luffy? What's the stream quality like?
Yeah. Monday morning print first tick, feel the heat, reading Orderflow like
Oh,
scripture. Every
it's got
Bidding ass dancing, naked tape on repeat.
it's got the overnight on too.
Liquidity in the street, limit lines get tested, stop scattering.
Don't need that.
I ride the momentum, never chase, never leap. Position size tight, wrist small, edge steep. Macro whispers low, but my flow runs deep. I read the tape all week, Monday to Friday grind.
I don't know what's going on, man. Like, I put it at 1080p. I think it should be better. I'm not sure what is going on. I'll figure it out, sir. Figure it out.
Value finds its place. Delta shifts, iceberg prints. I keep a poker face. Fade the noise, hunt the stop capture. Hidden space, volume clusters. Tell the truth, I move with patient pace. Gaps in the morning, swing into the midday chase. Heat map lights the path, price so base.
That's all you need to do. That's all you need, man. You don't need the little numbers.
Watch the book breathing, watch the prints collide. Liquidity like ocean tide. I surf on order side. No prediction, just responds where the money hides. Monday to Friday discipline, let the tape decide. I read the tape all week. Monday to Friday grind. Order flow in my veins, market rhythm in my mind. Ride the NASDAQ futures, let the footprint unwind. Open the close, follow the flow. Profits design. Thursday heats, options, gamma talking in the spread. Stop, run, sweep the weak hands. I'm calm, I'm ahead. Friday flex, week score written in the thread. Lock the games, trim the size, pack the skill in my
Trying to have the patience here. Don't want to be too aggressive with the longs just yet. I just want to see the impulse move up.
Deep breath, cold screen, heartbeat, matches tick. One tap, one click, line in the book I pick. Discipline the muscle, patience is the trick. Follow the flow, trust the tape, watch the profits stick. I read the tape all week, Monday to Friday grind.
Trump speaks.
Orderflow in my veins, market rhythm in
FOMC minutes shouldn't be a thing. Or I'm missing something. Maybe something is coming up in the future. They're deciding something. And it could be meaningful, but usually it's not meaningful. It's just a recap of what is, I think.
system in control. Deep male voice fades out. Orderflow carved in stone.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Patience, patience, patience. Market's only open for 7 minutes. Damn, there's gonna be another heat wave. I do not like heat waves. Yo, Luffy, you want to make a deal? If I finish green, and get 10 likes, we'll do a giveaway. That's a lot of ifs. I need to be green. So back in value. All right. So in theory, I could look for a higher low. Don't want to chase it right here.
Yo, hey, lately been feeling myself too hard to be sad when I take a good look at my pockets. Really been stacking this paper. Funny thing is, young niggas just getting it started, homie. You can ask around. Niggas gon' say this how I get down. I don't lack for a thing for the bread, I'm a pounds. Get it how I can't take a trip out of town. If I mean it's a ways whenever I touch down. Got like 20 olds calling me now. Ain't got the time, so I tell them to bounce. Knock shit out when I'm up at the mount. Yo, shorty get cracked if you talking down. I don't trip on niggas, they clowns. I'm bro on a mission to get all the fake out. I said on the realest, you thought it was cap wet. Niggas be cap, I tell them to back up, cause I'm ballin'. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. I can't blame. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. I can't blame. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. Can't blame. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. Hey, but I said I ain't trippin' on niggas. I'm Bromley with it, just counting up digits. Boys be capped, they ain't stacking no figures. They put up on shorty, she showing off titties. Really on go and I ain't sitting for a minute. I know they gon' hate, but I ain't worried about fitness.
See what happens around these levels.
Came in to waste no time, they don't talk to my face, only stay online. I'm a threat to the game, so they hate though. I'm just chilling on the phone with a bitch so fine, make a nigga depressed, start to question his life. You can ask your homie, I ain't told no lies. If I said it, it's 100, I can put it on God. If she saying that she let me, gotta kick it to the side. I'm focused, ayy. Thought I told you, shorty, you should know it though. Keep your hand on my desk and away from that stash, girl. It's probably abandon that envelope.
This could be too early. Looks like I'm too early.
My brothers who with me been here for beginning, the way you should do it when coming up. Cause these rappers around you be fake, I can say from experience, they don't be real enough. Do you people they songs, they act like they 100, boy. All of that cap go ain't real as us. Got me hot, I can't listen to fake rappers. I don't talk with them other ones, stay yapping. Money legal, but my brother stay trapping. Got him mad, I ain't tripping when hate happen, cause I know that. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel.
Should have waited for the close.
Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away.
It's freaking mini, dude. It's freaking 30 points. Obviously, we're gonna print dojis right here when I'm entering. I got my finger on the trigger to take profits, but like I'm not gonna take profits after freaking 5 points. Rejecting it, not good. Push for the highs. Push above, I'll trail. Come on, man. I just wanted to push, take profit. Don't you do it like that, Nasdaq. It's all good. Now I could wait for the 5 minute to confirm outside of the IB and then potentially look for the same thing. and or she fails, but I'm more inclined to look for a long.
Said I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot.
Bar stepping in here, see if they can push it up again.
They've been trying to get me cheap like a thrift shop, but I told them it's my time, check the wristwatch. They've been talking way before they even doing something. If they wanna play, let's get a tip off. Ain't no silver lining.
This is where cells got absorbed last time.
Yeah, I get it bouncing like a pogo. And I'm too cold like Frozone. And my chick elastic girl. Told them we ain't in the faking, this ain't plastic girl. Bought a new whip and cash, now my taxi thorough. Way I'm shooting like step, but my pass is bro. The way I'm playing the field, I'm in a league of my own. And now they all in they fields, I got them all on my phone. But dog, I'm hitting the climb, I got no time on the low. Way I'm shooting is messy, the way I'm hitting the goals. I'm taking big shots, just stop. Way I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this
This also was a close of yesterday's close. Like right here, yesterday's close was at the 390. Yeah, just right here.
I just left, but you know I'm coming back though. And you know I don't play by my rags though. Now go and turn it up to the max, whoa. Send a paper to me now like a fax, whoa. Got 2 phones ringing off the hook now. When I'm in the city, I get looks now. I was going bad, but I'm good now. Said I had to go and put my foot down. Told them I'ma get it and go. Nah, even in the summer, many knowing I'm cold. I got a couple checks coming that I made out the flows. Might get a couple.
Not looking hot for long at the moment.
For real, said I'm back in my bag. All my digits are climbing just like they all on a dash. And they tell me slow down, cause dog, I'm moving too fast. Might go and caught me a Tesla, cause dog, I still got a gas. Said I'm taking big shots, just stop. Where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot.
Also had a freaking horrible exit here. I mean,
I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6
like 30 points is super tight. It's crazy.
I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops.
I mean, 30, this is
hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot.
60 points.
Thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots.
No, what am I saying here? 30 points. Your day is gone. That's not bad. All right, so no giveaway then anymore. What? It's good. It's good. It's still very indecisive here. Let me see. Where's my magical pen? It's not, from a profile perspective, it's not looking that bad because we're basically getting time spent traded inside of value. So the longer we stay in value, the more I think we will go for the higher side of value or the POC. I could just wait for price to break out of the initial 15 and then look for something if it even sets up. Dude, I thought you were done. You literally said 1 minute ago that you were done for the day. That could be a nice, but yeah. I think from a structure point of view, this is like regaining. This is turning to a failed auction from him, meaning the squeeze is very likely to happen at the moment, especially trading above these 300s and value. I guess this could fail, but overall the move is down, but this doesn't look too weak at the moment. This could trap a lot of people. That's why basically waiting for the 15 to break at this point is more ideal to wait for confirmation. Let me see what we got here. So this is 30-second chart, but kind of pushed above. In theory, session could be long. We're still respecting the POC here. Kind of don't want to see this fail. We could still bounce here, go for the highs. That would be the most obvious at this point in time for me. If we start failing this, it's becoming more and more unclear. It's probably gonna wait out more until we really break the low. Yeah. You're chasing it. This is somewhat, yeah, it's hard because I still see trades both ways, and that's usually not the moment for me to put on a trade. I look at the 5 minute here. So after the first 5, he pushed up. He tried to continue. Basically closed bad here. This is it's kind of the chop area. Even from a 5 minute, I kind of want to see it break, close, retest short, or vice versa. Trade above, close above, long that structure. Got top of the hour closing in 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Didn't even sweep those highs here, so structure on the 5 is still to the upside. It's good squeeze it real quick. And then to see acceptance above and look for longs. Negative gamma. Negative gamma is good. That means volatility.
Keeps on ringing but ain't calling back then. Eyes watching me, I got them bitches mad then. Yeah, badge but no cuppa. Got them hidden, made a cup of stick or chopper. Got a aim, smell a bluffer like a cup of check or go. Let the anger flow, it got in the muscles. Fuck they feelings, fuck the green. Got sick of fakers, wear my chap, I cut the cap. Cheap couple, chains on couples. She's no clutter, I no pain. Shot Gucci line and slice uppers. She's on top of wages, I've been going places. A departer in Tahiti, packed a bum bikini, fettuccine supper. Eyes watching me, I got them bitches mad.
Yeah, negative gamma means more volatility. If it's positive gamma, price is more choppy going up. If it's negative gamma, the candles are bigger. Doesn't mean price is going down, but just way more volatility. It's usually good. It's usually when it's like positive gamma, it's more slow and rips and slow and choppy. Minutes gonna give a shot to close outside of it. Nope. Still waiting for the break of it. I feel it's preparing for the pop. Like, I just want to see when it does it. I want to see it respect the upper level, basically the high and the value area higher, something like that. Kind of want to go long, but I'm Gonna wait for it to confirm above. Don't want to get chopped here. Let's get a top of the hour close too, right? Kind of would make sense for them to keep it choppy that low. So imagine if this were to be the low of the current swing on a higher time frame, they're gonna load up here. This is cheap price on a whole, right? So could make sense. Could make sense. It's starting to look more weak, but overall this is still chop. Resistance. Yeah, I think it's somewhat of a line in the sand though. Like it's already kind of looking good with trading above or back into yesterday's range. It's not super hard rejecting the value. To be seen obviously where we break out from. This is going to be consolidation. It's going to be distribution. Let's see which. Yeah, that was a lot of selling here without creating a new low. So at the moment it looks like someone's passively buying this. They tried to push it down though.
Step, don't try hard. Down, up, down like a boom bap choir. Turn out the beat, raise up the heat. Kick up your feet like this, like that. Word on the street says you got the heat, so let's see you move like this, like that.
Kind of want to get some more coffee, but I feel when I walk away, it's gonna do it. On the other hand, the longer I stay here, the more coffees I could have gone get. Right, I'll give it 1 minute. I'm gonna get some more coffee.
Like a man on a mission, I see the moon in my vision. Like, turn out the beat, raise up the heat. Kick up your feet like this, like that. Word on the street says you got the heat, so let's see you move like this, like.
Yo, morning GTO. Are you able to pump the market? I gotta make a choice. I'm gonna get some more coffee. Just keep it where it is. Just keep it where it is. I'll be right back.
Screens glow in the midnight hour. Numbers dance, feel the market power. Candles form on the deep chart streams. Trading dreams in electric beams. Camel rise and feel the heat. Bitterness can rhythm beat. Liquidity is calling loud. Money moves in the algorithm crowd. Big trades coming, feel the flow. Nasdaq futures, watch them grow. Give away time, the streams alive. Deep house beats keep us high. Fibonacci lines tell the tale. Orderflow like a hurricane gale. Limit up or limit down. We ride the wave without a sound. Tick by tick the numbers play. Gamma exposure leads the way. Chart the course, then let it ride. Profit sings on the bullish side. Big trades coming, feel the flow. Nasdaq futures, watch them grow. Give away time, the streams alive. Deep house beats keep us high. Screens fade as the sun comes through. Another night of trades we knew. The stream sleeps, but we'll be back
Yo, Luffy, yeah, I'm green.
with more
Get the full 400 bucks.
on the Nasdaq track.
Is this thing really gonna keep it tight before FOMC minutes? Like in 4 hours? But it shouldn't be a thing, really. Like, it's minutes. There's no rate decision, so it shouldn't be that impactful unless they're close to doing something in the future. Like, I'm not even up to date with what they're trying to do. Last time I saw, they were potentially aiming for rate hikes. I guess some more patience, huh?
Got a badass bitch in a 223 with the 4x4. Touch the tank on E. Got a brand new plug, got a price on P. Got a badass bitch in a 223 with the 4x4. Touch the tank on E. Got a brand new plug, got a price on P. Yeah. 6 times, 10 times me. I keep my heart on my sleeve. I keep a Glocky on me. All of my niggas say cuz I'm from the Bay, but I'm a fairly gated. Risky, tipsy. All my niggas for sixes. We're gonna have to lay you down. It's what happens when a nigga get chipped.
Ran down folks with a stock, need more gun.
Show anyone taking trades in this crap? I haven't even looked at the 1 minute here.
What a hoe too slick, boyfriend of the cup. Tell folks don't trip. Pick a blunt, I'm a tug. Sat down for a minute, had a chip on my shoulder. I ain't never said please drop that. Took 3. Hot summer spot G, close up, Shaheen, blood splat, my jean, cross track side B. Do or die, you and me. Sweat folks at the street, none sweet, done clean dirt gun. Yo scene, dribble rock, killer hard, free throw, free team, free game, free squad. My bro on the beat.
Got a chip on my shoulder, pick up the load, drop off the work. I'm hitting my quota. I'm like a magician, and you can't see me. Did a record with June, that was on real.
I feel like it's loading up for something. I'm not sure what's, but Gurkan, it's at 40, if that's what you're getting at.
6 times, 10 times me. I keep my heart on my sleeve. I keep a Glocky on me. All of my niggas say cuz I'm from the Bay, but I'm a fairly gated. Risky, tipsy. All my niggas for sixes. We're gonna have to lay you down. It's what happens when a nigga get chipped. We're just getting started, it's a part of the game. Building anticipation, getting close to the edge. No, you think I see you more than a friend. Better late than never. Now it's all over me.
She gone down. It's still fighting that like, yes, this could be a nice short. At the same time, this, all of this is, it's gone bought up. So this would be anticipating that price sells this time. I'd rather wait for the break and see what happens, then sell, or wait for the regain, failed auction, and go long. It's basically what I'm waiting for here. Like, I'm kind of looking at this as somewhat of a no trade zone for me, because we try to push up, we try to push down. It's becoming unclear for me to put the risk on, at least. I could easily wait for price to push above, look for higher, sell, look for lower, and on the other hand, wait for the real push out of it, for the fail, short to the other side of the range, and vice versa for the low. If we drop, see what happens here. Do we continue to sort it? If you get back inside of that range, potentially move back up. That's what I'm doing. Now, at the moment, my big trades are at 40. Love you. 40. Because this is a 30-second chart. I feel the lower the time frame is, like, as long as the bubbles are spread out over candles, it makes sense. It just doesn't make sense to have like a low setting on a 5-minute, because then like one candle will have like, it's gonna look like a freaking Christmas tree.
Shows the pain, I can smell the greed. Gamma exposure like a chessboard game. Checkmate moves when the VIX goes insane. Tick tock, market clock never lies. Bid ass spread tells me who's gonna die. No second guesses when the tape don't lie. Either get right or get left behind. I don't chase trades, I let the
This could be a nice short, but yeah, can't try and stick to my guns here. This doesn't happen that much, where price is just not able to trade outside of the freaking 15-minute IB. That's just telling. If price is unable to push outside of it, it's usually a sign that price is very choppy.
Monday through Friday grind. Deep charts up on the main screen flicking. Orderflow pattern stick like the tension. Watching the delta spike
like wait. I can only show 10 iterations, but it's my little side project here, right? But visually this is just easy to read. Those are all 15 minutes IBs, or should be. Let me double check here before I say yep. Like here, close above, close, traded above, traded outside of it. Here, traded outside of it. Here, barely, but it tried, right? Here too, traded outside, traded outside. This one is the one that didn't trade outside. I think this was last Friday, the half day. Here it pushed outside of it, here it pushed outside of it. Like, usually it pushes outside of it. If it doesn't, then something is potentially up. Like this half day, obviously. I wish I could go back more. I can't load more. Not sure why yet. I need to, like, I can't. One more. I need to recode this thing. But again, this one too breaks out, then the move becomes obvious. If it's still inside of here, it's not looking too hot to trade.
Profile.hideout, live streaming the heat. Monday to Friday, can't miss a beat. Deep charts tools, see the order flow bleed. Big trades call.
And the market's already open like an hour almost.
Profiles deep, options flow, secrets to promises I keep from the shadow. Watch the market weave, this ain't no playground. This game I read. Friday sign off, stream cuts to black. Stack the gains, ain't looking back. Hideout secure, tools locked down tight. See y'all Monday for the next big fight. Mic drop. Silent. The screens fade to gray. Another week conquered. Another payday.
Potentially looking good. Like the 5-minute really doesn't look too bad. Like it broke out of structure. You get your fair value gap or imbalance, which I like to call it, because it's freaking just an imbalance. It's respecting that. We basically create a failed auction down here on that. This looking really good for up here, to be honest.
Numbers dance in the neon glow.
Still, I want to see confirmation above for a potential move up.
Watching where the big trades go.
Fat value gap. I can't hear that word, dude. This makes me go insane. The ICT concept shit, dude.
Expert hums its silent tune, while the profile tries to hide away. Deep in the charts we write, numbers burning bright.
All right, Nasdaq, can we do it?
Games alive, big trades in the night. Algorithms whisper low, signals pulse in the afterglow, tracking every spike.
Do got buyers tipping in here.
The gamma likes to flow.
Let's see if these sellers get wrecked. This is where I want to see strength. I want to see sellers step in, and I want to see price go up.
One click and the balance sways. Another Monday, another day. Deep in
Again, buyers stepping in. We want to see them push through.
numbers burning bright. Monday comes, the game's alive. Big trades in the night.
I don't know. At the moment, I still have to give it the consolidation vibe until it breaks out. I don't want to be anticipating the breakout from here. It could be a nice entry level, but it's still didn't confirm. It's just still in the middle of the range, right? So it's going to be an easier trade to manage above the current range.
Comes and we all know.
Oh, really? I'm not sure if my thing is up. Give me 1 second. Kinda looks good here. I can't find the giveaway widget. They removed the giveaway widget, Luffy. I might not be able to do it. Sir? A +5 hour day is not a bad day, sir. That's a really freaking good day. That's a really good day, Crochet. Maybe one day I'll make a tutorial for you to how to change my name on YouTube, right? Right? Big seller stepping in here. Oh, what's gonna be the keyword? The keyword. We need the keyword. All right, I got a keyword. How many likes do we got here? 4 likes. That's dude, come on, man. 17 people, 16 people and 4 likes, and I need to do a giveaway? Come on, Luffy. That's good. Like, I can understand the stream is boring, but like, look at the freaking chart, man. Doesn't make sense to freaking push buttons here for me.
Monday morning, screens glow cold. Nasdaq opens, stories unfold. Orderflow, trust the truth they hold. Watching money rivers flow, bold. Delta pressure building heat. Volume spikes like heart attacks beat.
Let me see what we got here, Luffy.
This concrete jungle, take a seat. With fortune made of face defeat. From the heart I watch the tape. Watch. Monday to Friday.
Okay, I'm not sure, but yeah, Trump is about to speak too. Maybe we'll do some things that could increase the oil price. Like, dude. Bro, that could be a thing too. I'm not sure where he is, what he's doing. This could be a little bit of a nasty combination with what's gonna happen later on.
Screens like prison bars, I'm locked in. Every take another battle to win. See the footprints where the wheels begin. Follow the delta, let the cash flood in. Candles flicker, red and green.
Full port. No, I'm taking the green day, even if it's like 1 hour. I'm good on that. Or maybe no, we're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do that. Luffy, you're a bad influence. Bad boy. Alright, since this thing is freaking chopping to bits, and I'm gonna be waiting for something to happen.
Before the closing bell is done. This ain't gambling, this is chess. Calculated moves, no stress. I read the flow, I clean the mess. I eat the fear, I claim success. From the hide, I watch the tape. Watch it. Monday to Friday, no escape.
Without the exclamation mark.
Options screaming, seal the gate. Deep bass pounding in my chest. Piano keys, but fit the rest.
Someone's got it right.
In this market, I invest. Yeah. Friday close, the screens go dim. Another week, another win. Lock the stream, let the silence begin. Deep bass fade, count the profit in.
Someone's finally got it right. Right, we'll give this a few minutes. Yeah, no, so I changed the stream towards 1080p from 1440p, and that also makes the stream less laggy in YouTube worlds. I think 1080p is the way to go, I think. I'm not sure. All right, so just to talk a little bit about what the giveaway is, because it's Earn to Trade that gives this. They're so generous to do this. They upgraded or removed rules, changed some things. Let's see what we got here. So this specifically, this one is gonna be a gauntlet mini, just like a normal evaluation. It's gonna be the 50k here. So they removed the trading days needed, right? The only thing you need to do in the evaluation is to keep it at 30%. So on a 50k account, that's going to be like $900 a day tops. So you're still going to need like 3-4 days to pass it at its fastest. That's the thing. One other thing is to be sure that if you're done trading, be sure there's no open orders on your end, because they will fail your account for that, right? So just make sure your orders are all done away, and then you should be good. And then at the funding stage, there is no consistency rule. There's literally nothing. Only thing you need is you need to trade above the buffer to take the full 80%, right? But you don't want to take out the profits before that. So this is not an issue. This is just to prevent people to scalp out low profits for whatever reason you want to do that. There's also no fee upfront, no subscription, no minimum trading days, all of that, weekly payouts in crypto, all of that. That's for the live stream stage, and then you can also go straight to live if you really wanted to. So really like that. Let's see what we got here. I think it's time to drop. Oh, Luffy, this is the second time, brother.
Music and drugs is the same, get them using.
You wanna make a killing, then execute it. Wanna make $1 million, no excuses. I'm going dumb. I'm trying to live it and start. Get anything that I want.
All right, so Amirul Zaki, you get 77 seconds to shout out in the chat. Man, got 50 seconds.
I'm going dumb, I'm going stupid. Music and drugs is the same, get them using.
You wanna make a killing, then execute it. Wanna make $1 million, no excuses. I'm going dumb. I'm trying to live it and start.
Oh, is there? Oh, really? Nice. Right. For you to claim, I need you to go to the Discord. The Discord is in the link in the description of this video. Go in there. There's like a chat channel, earn the trade giveaway. Go in there, shout out the message, show your so what I need from you is this, just to see that it's you, right? So if you open up your YouTube, you click right top side, your avatar, just give me a screenshot of this here, like top right side, so I know it's you, right? And then we'll go from there. So go into Discord, giveaway channel, put that there, and then I'll message you right there, sir.
this institution. NASDAQ futures on my screen. Money moves like a silent machine. YouTube live, they watch the craft, every fill, every trade draft.
Nice.
Punt comes, I don't react, stick to levels, that's a fact. Algos churn, I see the trap, liquidity void.
Meanwhile, Nasdaq still chopping around here. Got some style stepping in here. I think this is a little bit of a Trump thing that's going on. Yeah, congrats again, man. Just reach out to me on the Discord. You'll get your day, Luffy. You'll get your day. It's a really annoying day to have patience because nothing is happening on a higher time frame. Yeah, at this point, I really want to see what's gonna happen if we break out of it. Let's see if we drag. If you drag the profile, today profile. Doesn't make me smarter. I think the likelihood of it faking out if it breaks is bigger. I'm just debating if it's worth to stay here and watch this chart and watch paint dry, watch something or anticipate something to happen when it doesn't happen. Oh really? I'll think about it, sir. I'll think about it. It's an area where it got bought up like so many times. Obvious move is gonna be when it breaks. It could take a while, or it could even not happen. And vice versa, waiting for a break above would be more obvious. Kinda wanna stay away here. Alright, see you, Luffy. You have a good day, sir. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it quits too. There's no point in it. We got news later on. We got Trump speaking. Yeah, we got like Trump speaking in half an hour. We got FOMC later. It's minutes, but maybe there's something ongoing they're talking about doing, so that might be a thing. I'm not sure. I think it's better to come back tomorrow. We got like news an hour before the open, which could give some volatility. We got news top of the hour. I think it looks way better to trade tomorrow than today. The price is still in the range. Yeah, sure, it is. Yep. I mean, I could log off right here, right now, and it could break down, but I'm not the biggest fan, not gonna lie. small green day, walk away, come back tomorrow, do it all over again. I'll see you on tomorrow. Peace. Oh, there is no. Nice. Alright, see you on later.
Been running this since I popped in. Y'all know me, I'm locked in. One hand on the game, one hand on the street. Gotta get it out the mud, no problem to me. Keep on rocking, tell them this is heavy metal. My baby's watching, let them know I never settle. And you know I got the keys to the wheel, hand on the wheel when I'm driving this. Might spend a couple bands on my wrist, just show them that my time ain't free, it's a gift. Show them that I'm clocked in, I know that they watching. Thank God I bet it on me, cause I ain't had much options. I gotta go ahead, show 'em. I cannot miss and I aim for the top of my brothers. I know that I gotta go get it by any means. I cannot lose, that's word of my mother. Give me respect and give me a check. I'm about to put on and get back to the bro. Cause if I'm winning and they winning too, that is the law, can't switch on the code. They wanna hold me back, I said they must be joking. Look at me cool and calm, collected, yeah, I'm coasting. You ain't stop me, yeah, I got some motion. I got some motion. They wanna hold me back, I said you must be joking. And I ain't missing none, my shots gon' leave me open. They ain't stop me, now I got some motion. I got some motion. They wanna hold me back, I said you must be joking. Look at me cool and calm, collected, yeah, I'm coasting. They ain't stop me, now I got some motion. I got some motion, okay.
Se prende el party con mi reggaetón. Me piden una hora, me piden dos. El jangueo no tiene fin. Nadie en tu fiesta, todos están aquí. Like wow, wow, wow. Baby, aquí se baila hasta el amanecer. Wow, wow, wow. Como siempre vamos a romper. Dale pausa. Siente el efecto, ese tema es la causa. Yo lo tengo loco por ahí, todo lo que toco se convierte en oro por ahí. Real talk, nada feca, como los tiempos de antes cuando andaba en bicicleta. Sigo siendo original, quemo la pista como NASCAR. Un star, baby, como Pedro Pascal. Wow, wow, wow. Baby, aquí se baila hasta el amanecer. Wow, wow, wow. Como siempre